ټول دنیا د جنگ په حالت کې ده. The entire world is at war. The entire world is at war. هغه کله هم کور ته تلل نه غواړي. They never want to go home. They never want to go home. هغه الفاظ د کوي. They are learning vocabulary. They are learning vocabulary. ته یو ښه استاد یې. You are an amazing teacher. You are an amazing teacher. ته د هغې په کور کې نه اوسېږې. You don't live in his house. You don't live in his house. ما ستا د خاوند نه تپوس وکړو. I was asking your husband. I was asking your husband. دا کتابونه بالکل نوي دي. These books are brand new. These books are brand new. هاغلته ډزې وشوې. There have been shots fired. There have been shots fired. هغه څه دي؟ دا ما ته راکړه. What is that? Give it to me. What is that? Give it to me. ته مانا څه سوال یا تپوس کول غواړې. What question do you want to me? What question do you want to me? چرته روان یې؟ ما ته ستا ضرورت دی. Where are you going? I need you. Where are you going? I need you. د هغې ټول اعتماد ختم شوی. Their trust is all wrapped up. Their trust is all wrapped up. اوس زما طرف ته وګوره. You look at my face. You look at my face. په دې کې زه څه نشم کولی. There is nothing I can do. There is nothing I can do. تر څو چې ته ماته اجازت را نه کړې. Unless you give me permission. Unless you give me permission. تا ته د شروع نه پته نشته. You don't know the first thing. You don't know the first thing. بس تا دغه سوچ دی. That's all your think. That's all your think. زما زړه ته نږدې څیزونه. The things closest to my heart. The things closest to my heart. ته د دې باره کې څه وایې؟ What are you saying about this? What are you saying about this? دا د هغې په مقابله کې څه هم نه دي. That's nothing compared to them. That's nothing compared to them. نور قابل استادان هم شته. There are other capable teachers. There are other capable teachers. زه غواړم چې ته بهر لاړ شې. I want you to move out. I want you to move out. هغې مونږ کار ته بوتلو. They took us to do work. They took us to do work. مونږ د پیسو دپاره یو بل سره جنګیږو. We fight each other for money. We fight each other for money. زه دلته اوسېدل غواړم. I want to be here. I want to be here. ته ولې ما سره نشې ودرېدلی؟ Why can't you stand by me? Why can't you stand by me? هغه ډېر ښه و. They were awesome. They were awesome. تا ته دا آسان ښکاري. You think it's easy. You think it's easy. ما سره نور څوک دي؟ Who else is with me? Who else is with me? تا دوکه وکړه او دروغ دی ویل. You cheated and lied. You cheated and lied. شاید تا ته خرڅول پکار دی. Maybe you should sell. Maybe you should sell. زما پلار به ما ته اجازت را نه کړي. My dad won't let me. My dad won't let me. زمون ماشومان دلته دي. Our kids are here. Our kids are here. مونږ هغه وکړل چې څه تا وویل. We did what you said. We did what you said. مونږ په یو مسله کې راګیر شوي یو. We have a situation. We have a situation. ته زما خبره نه اورې. You are not hearing me. You are not hearing me. ما ته د دې نه سره کړه. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. که چېرته ته ډېر نا امیده یې. If you are desperate. If you are desperate. مونږ به نااهل شو. We will be disqualified. We will be disqualified. دا خو صرف شروعات دی. It was just a warm up. It was just a warm up. ما د اوریدونکو زړه وګټو. I nailed the audience. I nailed the audience. زه غلطی نشم کولی. I can't make a mistake. I can't make a mistake. مونږ ته د هغې حوصله اوچتول پکار دي. We need to pick him up. We need to pick him up. ته ما سره لاړ شه. You pluck along with me. You pluck along with me. تا ته دا خبره یاده ده. You remember these things. You remember these things. ما هلته کله هم کار نه دی کړی. I have never worked there. I have never worked there. د ورځې د ختمېدو پورې. Till the end of the day. Till the end of the day. ستا په چا شک دی. Whom do you suspect? Whom do you suspect? په خپله لاره ځه. Go your way. Go your way. ستا په ما ډېر قرض دی. I'm really indebted to you. I'm really indebted to you. زما زړه به اوچوي. My heart will burst. My heart will burst. اوس نه نو کله. If not now when then. If not now when then. زما دا خبره یاد ساته. Remember this word of mine. Remember this word of mine. کله هم نه. Not at all. Not at all. پاگل مو جوړېږه. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. اور مړ کړه. Put out the fire. Put out the fire. هر څه صحیح کېږده. Put everything in order. Put everything in order. زما څه اعتراض نشته. I have no objection. I have no objection. په جړا باندې څه هم نه کېږي. Crying won't help. Crying won't help. ستا نیت خراب دی. You have bad intentions. You have bad intentions. زما چې زړه څه غواړي هغه کوم. I do whatever I wish. I do whatever I wish. ما ستا ډېر انتظار وکړو. I waited long for you. I waited long for you. هغه ستا غیبت کو. He was backbiting you. He was backbiting you. دا بالکل صحیح دی. That's perfect. That's perfect. ما متنګوا. Don't nag me. Don't nag me. آیا تا کوشش وکړو. Did you try? Did you try? دا ناانصافي ده. This is unfair. This is unfair. هغه ډېر په سر مخې جوا. Don't overpamper him. Don't overpamper him. په دې به ډېر وخت ولګي. It will take a long time. It will take a long time. زه به پر روانه هفته کې پیسې واپس کړم. I'll pay the money back next week. I'll pay the money back next week. ستا وخت پوره شو. Your time is up. Your time is up. زه اوس نشم راتللی. I can't come now. I can't come now. زتا سرا سبا تا ملاویگم. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. نن سوشو. What happened today? What happened today? تا خوش قسمت ای. You are lucky. You are lucky. هغه د اعتماد قابل نه دی. He is not trustworthy. He is not trustworthy. پدې کې د خندا څه خبره ده؟ What's there to laugh? What's there to laugh? چې کور ته ورسېدې بیا ماته کال وکړه. Call me as soon as you get home. Call me as soon as you get home. مور پلار ته د زما سلام وایا. Convey my regards to your parents. Convey my regards to your parents. په انګلیش خبرو کولو کې شرم مکوا. Don't be shy of speaking English. Don't be shy of speaking English. زما ګرمي کیږي. I feel hot. I feel hot. هغه ستاسو ده. Who is she to you? Who is she to you? خپل کار سره کار ساته. Keep to yourself. Keep to yourself. زما دا خوښ نه دی. I don't like it. I don't like it. د دې څه مطلب دی؟ What does it mean? What does it mean? ما تا ته کله هم څه نه دي ویلي. I never said anything to you. I never said anything to you. زما دواړه خوښ دي. I like both. I like both. حقیقت همیشه تریخ وي. The truth is always better. The truth is always better. قسمت په خپل لاس کې وي. Man is the master of his fate. Man is the master of his fate. زه یو ځل هلته تللی وم. I had been there once. I had been there once. ته څه ووایه؟ You say something. You say something. هغې ته دومره ازادي مه ورکوه. Don't give him this much freedom. Don't give him this much freedom. ته د دې ځای نه لاړ شه. You walk away from here. You walk away from here. ته زما وخت خرابوي. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. آیا ته ستړی؟ Are you tired? Are you tired? لږ صبر وکړه. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. هغې کله هم زما پروا نه ده کړې. He never cared for me. He never cared for me. ته څه وخت اوده کېږې؟ And what time do you go to bed? And what time do you go to bed? زما د مخې نه اخوا شه. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. دا زما دپاره یو غټه خبره ده. It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me. واده به د مارچ په 4 تاریخ وي. The marriage will be held on the 4th March. The marriage will be held on the 4th March. د هغې نه معافي وغواړه. Apologize to him. Apologize to him. زما په سر درد دی. I have a headache. I have a headache. زما خېټه نن خرابه ده. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. هغې پسې خندا مه کوه. Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. ډېره د شرم خبره ده. What a shame. What a shame. هغه ډېر نری دی. He is so skinny. دا بسته یا بیگ ډېر دروند دی. This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. پتا څه وشو؟ What happened to you? What happened to you? ته دلته څه کوې؟ What are you doing here? What are you doing here? زه نشم تللی. I can't walk. I can't walk. تا دا قصدن وکړل. You did this deliberately. You did this deliberately. کم از کم یو ځل راشه. Come at least once. Come at least once. ضرور څه خبره شته. It's definitely something. It's definitely something. ته چېرته وې؟ Where were you? Where were you? زر لاندې راشه. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. ته څه سوچ کوې؟ What do you think? What do you think? تا څه وویل؟ What did you say? What did you say? زه بالکل ستړی نه وم. I was not tired at all. I was not tired at all. تا ته شرم پکار دی. Shame on you. Shame on you. په ګاډي کې کېنه. Get in the car. Get in the car. هغه مالدار ښکاري. He looks rich. He looks rich. بخښنه غواړم په ما لږ ناوخته شو. I'm sorry I have got a bit late. I'm sorry I have got a bit late. په دې کې زما څه قصور دی؟ What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? ما ته اوس هم پته نشته. I still don't know. I still don't know. دا خبره حقیقت کېدای شي. This may be true. This may be true. خپل کار سره کار ساته. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. جاسوسی مکوا. Don't spy. Don't spy. دا زما شرافت دی. It's my decency. It's my decency. هغه زما لري رشتہ دار دی. He is my far off relative. He is my far off relative. په ما یقین وکړه. Count on me. Count on me. څه حده پورې. To a certain extent. To a certain extent. کله کله. Now and again. Now and again. ما معاف کړه. Forgive me. Forgive me. وخت څومره زر تیریږي. How time flies. How time flies. خراب عادتونه پرېږده. Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. هیڅ خبره نه ده. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.